Hey guys, Trevor here with Ecommerce Paradise. In this video, I'm going to review Convertkit. Convertkit is an email marketing provider, and it's for creators specifically. People that create YouTube content, people that create podcasts, people that create blogs, and any other kind of content that goes online, basically. So Convertkit, I highly recommend them and use them myself. I like the way their platform looks. I love the way that their usability is. And their price point is also quite great. So if you want to go ahead and get started with a free trial of ConvertKit, just go to ecommerceparadise.com/convertkit or click the link in the description below. And I'm going to go ahead and get on my computer right now and show you what that process looks like, and then show you what it looks like on the back end of the dashboard. So let's get into it. All right, so we are here at the ConvertKit website. This is what you'll get when you type in ecommerceparadise.com/convertkit, and you click here and try for free. So the free trial is for 14 days, which is 2 weeks, and it's enough time to get an idea of how ConvertKit works and all that good stuff. So yeah, it's great for landing pages. You can use it with Shopify, you can use it with WordPress, all that kind of stuff. So go ahead and enter your email and password, click Get Started, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. All right, so now we're in the back end of ConvertKit. So this is what the dashboard looks like. It's really easy to use and understand. A few things at the top you'll want to be aware of. First, you'll land on your subscribers page, so you get to see how many subscribers you have and who's subscribed recently. Next, you'll have your automations tab, which is where you create your visual automations, which are your automated email autoresponder. Okay. Next, you have your landing pages and forms tab, which is where you create your forms or landing pages. And this is a great system because, just like other tools out there that are available in the marketplace for creating landing pages, ConvertKit is quite easy to use, and also it's an all-in-one system and it's self-hosted. But it also gives you the ability to add domains to your account. So you can have unlimited domains set on your account. In your settings, custom domains, you can add, like this one here is bestdropshippingproducts.com. This is a lead generation funnel I'm going to be building out for my e-commerce Paradise Academy, high-ticket dropshipping masterclass. And I can add any domains here, link them to landing pages, link them to sequences and automations and all that good stuff. So ConvertKit's great for that. Sequences are really good to use, obviously. And automations are going to be able to move people from one sequence to another. So a sequence is a series of emails. Automations are telling the system, okay, take this subscriber that signed up for this form and plug them into this, or send them this sequence. And then once they're done with that one, send them to a different sequence. And if they sign up for a different form while they're in the sequence, stop this sequence and send them to another one, that kind of thing. So that's what automations are for. And then, of course, there's broadcasts, which you can send out on a daily basis, which I recommend doing just with new content you create as a creator. So yeah, that's basically a breakdown of ConvertKit. Really easy to use, and generally speaking, it's one of the best systems out there. I highly recommend it. Last but not least, I actually wanted to talk about the pricing, which is really important. Most people are wondering how much it costs to start with an email autoresponder service. And since ConvertKit is so well built out for creators, like the #1 resource to go to, they actually charge $29 a month starting after your 14-day free trial is over, and it's for up to 1,000 subscribers, okay? So as a creator, you should already have some sort of profit center for your business, whether that be a basic membership site, or whether that be an online course, or whether that be physical products, print on demand, something where you're creating revenue through your creation business. So you're not just creating videos or whatever for no reason, you're actually creating them for a purpose. A lot of people use affiliate marketing to create revenue for their business, which I can highly recommend. They just basically refer people to those products, just like I'm doing with you here to ConvertKit. So I am a great example of that with ecommerceparadise.com. I have many different profit centers to my business, a whole funnel for each one, and then I use email marketing to get people from one funnel to the next, to the next, to the next. So this is a great service to use for it. I highly recommend it. It's $29 a month up to 1,000, $49 a month up to 3,000, and then $79 a month up to 5,000 subscribers. And beyond that, it costs a bit more, but by then you should be making plenty of money. Usually the rule of thumb is every subscriber equals $1. So if you have a list of 1,000 subscribers, you should be able to be making $1,000 a month from your business. If you have a list of 5,000 subscribers, you should be able to make $5,000 per month from your business. I actually currently have a list of 5,000, and I'm making an average of $20,000 to $30,000 a month for my business right now. So it just goes to show the power of having profit centers in your business and different offers for people. And then beyond that, doing really good with email marketing, using Facebook advertising, using social media marketing, and also providing services on the back end of all your different like offers, whether it be courses and informational products, but actually providing services to help that community of people as well. So you can have a huge business with a small list. Just kind of the rule of thumb though. And if you want to sign up for Convertkit, I can't recommend it more. Go to ecommerceparadise.com/convertkit. Link is below. And of course, you can go to ecommerceparadise.com and view all the rest of my blog articles and stuff like that there, and all the other reviews, and get my resources at ecommerceparadise.com/resources. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and go sign up for Convertkit today. I do highly recommend them. Take care.